Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Code Planet. Today, we embark on an exciting journey to explore the fascinating world of human languages versus computer languages. Let's dive in and uncover the differences and similarities together. Let's get started. We humans speak in various languages like Bengali, English, Arabic, Hindi, and many more. We use these languages to communicate with each other. For effective communication, the other person must understand the language we are speaking.
Splash this on you. Alright.
Every language has its own script and follows specific grammar or rules, which we call syntax. Similarly, we use programming languages to communicate with computers. Languages like Python, Java, and C allow us to write instructions that a computer can understand. Just like human languages, programming languages have their own syntax or rules for writing instructions. Since childhood, we write instructions for ourselves in our minds. For example, fetching a glass of water involves a series of steps. This step-by-step plan is what we call an algorithm. So since childhood, we are coders as we write instructions for ourselves. So, whether it's humans or computers, the essence of communication lies in the language we use, the syntax we follow, and the algorithms we create to achieve our goals. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. See you in the next video.